My experience with Wise Pelican has been very positive. With the 3 drops that we've done so far, I've yet to drop this month, but with the 3 drops that we've had, I've already seen 15 new patients, which is an amazing return on investment, being that I have 5 actual patients coming into the office. And they're averaging out about $700 a piece, I would say, right now. And that will only change, in general dentistry, it's about kind of having the patient for life. And so that revenue is exponential over the patient's lifetime. So Wise Pelican has definitely helped generate new patients, and with that, obviously with new patients, what we're going for is, to generate revenue, and we've definitely seen that tick up, and I do just expect it to continue on as we've had an initial amazing result with 15 new patients from 3 drops, which is amazing, more than I expected.